Alright. Not that it matters because we only have one mic. So, anyway, this is the process that I use to 3D scan. So, we have the, whatever, the Digi Spark, I think it's called. The Goscan Spark is what this unit is. And the first thing you have to do is you have to calibrate it. So let's go start the scan. Software. So I have VX elements up here.
Why are you thinking about this? Okay. Fuck you.
Mouse is.
Why? Because it's going to run into traffic. Listen, you missed the flight, you missed the flight. You won't go to the wedding, you say no. You do. Yes. If you want to buy an 830, feel free.
Aim down here. So this is the calibration plate. Most 3D scanners that are real have this. And so then you look at the screen. So you're just moving in and matching its targets. Look to the right a little bit. Left. Forward.
Okay.
Done calibration. So basically with your part, it's slightly shiny. This will probably scan okay, but there are areas that are reflective, and reflections are bad for laser scanners. So you just kind of basically douse it with the stuff, which is a room temperature wax that sublimates after a while. It stinks like ass.
The nice thing about this unit is how fast it can traction scan. You don't have to worry about moving smoothly, and you can just hit the part like you're spray painting it. Right now we're doing the bottom surface. You don't have to scan an area over and over again. It's pretty good about capturing the details on the first pass. All repetitive scanning will do is make your computer take longer to finalize the mesh. The first operation after you finish the scan layer is to filter out the turntable and random artifacts like my fingers that the scanner picked up. The simplest first step is to create a clipping plane to remove everything below an arbitrary height. In this case, this removes the turntable. Next, I'm removing my ghost fingers by highlighting the object and then doing a selection invert, then deleting. You then finalize, and then you can add a new scan for later stitching.
So what are you doing now?
I'm cleaning up the little random. I'm cleaning up all the little floaters. You can do it automatically, but this way I can have a better choice of what it keeps and what doesn't.
Something I don't think that you've mentioned is how on the screen while you're scanning, it will show red and green bars for what is and is out of range for the scanner. So it trains you to hold your arm just at the right distance.
Yeah, hi.
VX Elements has a nice auto stitch, though if it can't find a solution, it will ask you to mark the same point on the scans you're trying to align.
So let's try one more alignment.
VX Model, which is a paid plugin, lets you pull geometric data from the mesh. So here I'm getting the shaft cylinder information. And finally, you can send it directly to SolidWorks or Fusion 360.